Good morning students, hope everyone are fine, right? So in the last class we discussed the exercise number 2.1, right? So today we'll discuss the some more problems, that is with the law of exponents. I hope everyone by hearted that law of exponents. What are the law of exponents here? A raised to m into a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m plus n. Next one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m minus n. Next, a raised to m whole raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m into n. Next one, a raised to m into b raised to m, that is equal to a into b whole raised to m. Next one, a raised to m divided by b raised to m, that is equal to a by b whole raised to m. Okay, so if you know the all the law of exponents formula, then only you can solve the 2.2, otherwise it's very difficult. Please try to by heart that formulas. Okay, already you learnt in the 7th only that all formulas, right? Even that simplification also you learnt in the 7th only. If you learnt properly in 7th, then 8th will be easy, otherwise 8th will be difficult. Okay, so now we'll solve the 2.2. Start with the exercise number 2.2. In that first one is use the law of exponents and simplify the following, they are asking here. Okay, first one, 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 4. See here, 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 7 divided. Okay. So what is the formula says here? That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus m minus n. Right. So here m is nothing but a minus 7, n is nothing but a minus 4. So what is the answer here? Minus 7 minus of minus 4. Okay, next minus 7 here, minus into minus plus 4. Okay, minus 7 plus 4. What is the value of minus 7 plus 4? That will be the minus 3. Okay, 3 to the power minus 3 is the answer. Getting everyone? Once again I am telling, please listen carefully here. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 4 they given here. Right? So that is nothing but here 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 4. This is in the form of which formula? That is a to the power m divided by a to the power n here. What is the formula here? A to the power m divided by a to the power n is nothing but a to the power m minus n here. Right? So now what we can write for that here? M is nothing but minus 7 here, minus of minus 4. So minus 7 minus into minus plus 4. So minus 7 plus 4. What is the answer for this one? That is minus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3 is the answer. Getting everyone? Yes. So now go for the second one. What is the second one here? 5 to the power 4 into 5 to the power minus 10 into 5 to the power minus 2. Whenever the multiplication is there, we have to add the powers. Whenever there is a multiplication, then we need to add the powers. If there is a division, we need to subtract the powers. Here multiplication is given, then we need to add the powers here. So add here powers, that is 5, 4 plus of minus 10 plus of minus 2. Right? 5 to the power 4 plus into minus minus 10 plus into minus minus 2. Okay, now see, do the simplification. Minus 10 minus 3 is minus 12. Next one answer is plus 4 minus 12. That is subtraction. What is the bigger number sign? Bigger number sign is minus. So 5 to the power minus 8 is the answer. 5 to the power minus 8. Next we'll go for the third one. Solve the third problem now. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 30 divided by 2 to the power minus 7. That is equal to. See here. Now, this is multiplication is there. First do that balance. That is 2 to the power 5 minus 13 divided by 2 to the power minus. This is nothing but the plus only here. Because of minus and I written a minus. I hope everyone understood that. 2 to the power 5 plus into minus minus 13 divided by 2 to the power minus 7. Right? Now simplify the numerator value. 5 minus 13 is 2 to the power minus 8 divided by 2 to the power minus 7. Now it is a division. Division means what we have to do? We need to subtract the powers. So then it is a 2 to the power minus 8 minus of minus 7. So what is the answer we will get here? 2 to the power minus 8 minus into minus plus 7. So the answer is here 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 is the answer. Minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Okay. So next go for the fourth one. Fourth problem, that is a to the power 3 4 to the power minus 2 divided by a to the power minus 5 into a to the power minus 3. Okay, a to the power 3 4 to the power minus 4 that divided by a to the power minus 5 into a to the power minus 3 divided. Right? So here, now first simplify the numerator, that is a to the power 3 whole to the power minus 4. It is nothing but a to the power m whole to the power n. Then a to the power m into n. Multiply those two powers. That is 3 into minus 4 is minus 1 divided by. Here multiplication is there. We need to add the powers. Minus 5 plus of minus 3. Right? So a to the power minus 1 divided by here. Plus into minus minus only a to the power minus 5 minus 3. That is nothing but a to the power minus 12 divided by here. Minus 5 minus 3 means a to the power minus 5. So now division is there. Division means we need to subtract the powers. So here a to the power minus 1 here. Minus of minus 8. That will be a to the power minus 12 plus 8. Right? So now here I will here. Plus 2, sorry, minus 12 plus 8 means it is nothing but a to the power minus 4 is the answer. A to the power minus 4 is the answer. Next go for the fifth problem. Hope everyone are understanding. See, this is a little bit difficult is there. Just try to understand one problem properly. If you understand the problem properly, then you can do any other one. Okay? Otherwise you can't do. So just think about the formulas and do the problem. That is 7 to the power 5 into 7 to the power minus 3 into 7 to the power minus 1. Okay? Multiplication. Whenever there is a multiplication, we need to add the powers. So here 5 plus of minus 3 plus of minus 1. So 7, 5 plus into minus minus 3 plus into minus minus 1. Now 5 minus 3, 2 minus 1. 7 minus 7, it is nothing but 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 7 to the power 1 is the answer. It is nothing but 7 only. Next, sixth one. Sixth one is 2 to the power 4, 4 to the power minus 3 into 6 to the power 3, 4 to the power minus 4. Okay. So now multiply here. 2 to the power 4 3 is the, that is minus 12 into here also 12. 6 to the power minus 12. So whenever the power is same, base are changed here. Base is 2 and 6. is 2 into 6 whole to the power minus 12. That is 12 to the power minus 12 is the answer. A raised to m into b raised to m. A into b whole raised to m. That formula we used here. Okay. So next one. Seventh one. A to the power 3 into a to the power 2 into a to the power minus 1. A to the power 3 into a to the power 2 into a to the power minus 1. All are multiplication. Then a to the power, add the all values, powers here. Plus of minus 5 here, that is a to the power 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is nothing but a to the power 0. What is a to the power 0 answer? Anything to the power. If the power is 0, the value is always 1. Okay? Whatever may be the base. Base may be a 2, 3, 10, whatever. If the power is 0, that value is always 1. Okay? So next we'll go for the 8th one. 8 1, 4 to the power minus 3, a to the power minus 4, b to the power minus 2, divided by 4 to the power minus. See here now. So we have to here 4 to the power minus 3, 4 to the power minus 5 is there. We can take to the numerator. How? If the both here both values are dividing. Dividing means we need to subtract the powers, right? So here 4 to the power 3 minus of minus 5, right? Next multiplication a to the power minus 5 minus of minus 3. Take this minus a to the numerator. Next b to the power minus 4 minus 3 plus 3 is there minus 3. Next 4 to the power minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 into a to the power minus 5 plus 8 into b to the power minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So now here 4 to the power minus 3 plus 5, that will be 4 to the power 2 into a to the power 3 into b to the power minus 7. So this is the answer. 4 to the power 2, a to the power 3 into b to the power minus 7. Okay? Or else you can write as the answer also. Simplify. 4 to the power 2 means multiply for 2 times. That answer is 16 a cube here. Whenever the power is minus here, we can take to the denominator. That will be the positive. B to the power 7. This is also correct. That is also correct. Both are correct here. Okay? So next one. 9th one. Three to the power minus 2 whole to the power minus 3. A to the power m whole to the power n. That is a to the power m into n here. So here minus 2 into minus 3 is minus into minus plus 3 to the 6. That is the answer. Next 10th one. 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2, right? Yes. So same here also. 3 to the plus into both are we are getting the same only, right? Yes. Next see, if you want to multiply 3 for the 6 times, you can multiply and write. But this is also enough. That is also correct answer only. Okay. So next go for the 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 1 and next one is a minus 2. This is nothing but about minus into minus plus 3 by 4 whole to the power 2. Right? So you can find this value. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. Okay? If the powers are 2, 3, then we can multiply and write. But more than 3, it's a very difficult. So just keep it as a power only. Okay? So next 12th one. We'll do for the 12th problem. Last problem of the first week. 12th one. 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. 4 to the power 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 10 to the power minus 4 whole to the power 2 they given here. So next here, just multiply here. So first simplify the bracket values, that is 10 to the power minus 5 minus of minus 4, because division is in minus of minus 4, 4 to the power 2, same as it is here, minus 5 plus 4 4 to the power 2, that is nothing but 10 to the power minus 5, that is a minus 1 4 to the power 2, that will be the 10 to the power minus 2. Yeah. 10 to the power minus 2 is nothing but a what? 1 by 2. Okay, that is nothing but a 1 by 100 you will get. Next one. Okay, so we finished the first main here. Now we'll go for the second main. All are using a formulas only, we have to simplify. If you know the formula, then it's a very easy to do all the problems, otherwise it's a very difficult. Okay, so next we'll go for the second main. Write the value of n in each of the following. That means what we have to do here, we have to find the value of n here. Okay, so now we'll do the second main. Second main. That second main here. Second main, first one. 5 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power n, that is equal to 5 to the power 4. Right? So whenever the multiplication is there, what we have to do? We have to add the powers. Right? Here minus 3 plus n, that is equal to 5 to the power 4. Whenever the bases are same, then power must be equal. Bases are same, then power must be equal. So what we can write here, minus 3 plus n, that is equal to 4. Okay. Why? Because here also base 5, here also base 5, and we are having an equal sign in between those two numbers. Right? Then power must be equal here. Okay. Power also must be equal only. For that reason, equate those two powers. So the first power is minus 3 plus n, that is equal to 4 here. Okay. So now do the simplification here, that is take this minus 3 to the RHS side, what it will become? 4 plus 3, that will become a 7. So what is the value of n here? N value is 7. Value of n is 7. Similarly, second problem, do the second problem. Minus 7 whole to the power n, whole to the power 2n, right? Sorry. And divided by minus 7 whole to the power 3, that is equal to what they given here? Minus 7 whole to the power 3 they given. Right? Yes. So whenever there is a division, we need to subtract the powers. That means 2n minus 3, that is equal to 3. Here power is 3 in our RHS side. In LHS side, there is a division is there. Whenever there is a division, we need to take the subtraction of the two powers. So that is 2n minus 3. In RHS, the power is 3, equated to a 3. Now solve the equation. So take this minus 3 to the RHS side, that will become a plus 3. So 2n is equal to 3 plus 3 means it is a 6 here. So 2n is equal to 6. What is the n value here? 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Right? So value of n is here. Value of the n is 3. Okay? So next one. Wait. In third problem, they didn't mention the n value, right? I think that must be a 2n minus 1. Two n minus 1 that must be, otherwise the question will be wrong. They didn't mention the n value. Third main. Okay, later I'll tell that one. Okay, they didn't mention the n at all, so I'll just make it correct that for that question only. Okay, next fourth one. Fourth one also. What is the value of n here? Fourth one. That is also same thing. 1 by 3 whole to the power 4 is there, and whole to the power n. Make it correction. Whole to the power n here. And that is equal to 1 by 3 whole to the power 2 into 1 by 3 whole to the power 18. That thing we have to do here. And similarly for a last one, fifth one also. Again that is a 5 to the power n. Okay, whenever there is a small black ink like this, okay, that means n. Make it as a n here. Okay, in third, fourth and fifth problem, make it as a n only. That only, then only you can find the n value. The rest you can't find. Okay, so next three problems do it yourself. And next third main, evaluate each of the following they given here. Same, similar like using the formulas, we have to simplify the following. That's it. Okay, that one. Try to solve third main, fourth main. Okay, and fifth main is also easy. Same, similar like this one, third, second main. We have to find a x value in that. So just try to do it that one also. If you are okay with that, then otherwise I'll do once again. Okay. So they at least try for the second main, third main, fourth main. Till fourth main do as a homework. That is the homework. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.